Welcome. If you want to check battery temperature in your ZTE Blade V8 Lite, at first you have to go for the Play Store and simply go for the search pool and type Ampere. We are going to get this application and we will be able to check our battery temperature. It's from the Braintrap Corporation. Okay, right now let's open this application. Click yes, agree. Tap close. Okay, we have to update the Google Play services to be able to use that application, so let's make it right now. Okay, right now we can go back to the application. Maybe let's turn it off and turn it on again. And as you can see, when we swipe on the right side, we will find the same data but in other theme, and the temperature of our battery we can find in this place. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.